Alright, welcome to the third part of the video. Here I'll be showing how to install the graphics card and the RAM. First of all, on most casings there should be a latch here. Just pull it up and there you go. Make sure it stays up. Now most graphics cards will be in the PCIe slot, or the blue one. Just take the graphics card, make sure the lines on the graphics card align with the one on the board. Get the wires out of the way. Keep this up. Make sure it aligns. Just push down. Snaps into place. There you go. Now I'm going to be installing another card at the same time, to save time. This is my sound card. This one should go into one of the expansion slots down here. Make sure it's aligned. Same procedure as the graphics card. Make sure it's aligned. Flip this up. Push down. Oh, hold on a sec. Push down, make sure it's in place. There you go. For that, just close the latch. There you go. It's all done. Now time for the RAM. Alright, hold on, let me adjust the camera. Alright, RAM should be installed here. Doesn't matter which one you put in, just make sure that both of your RAM sticks are placed in the same color. That means same channel. Just hold on a sec. Open it. Stick the RAM. Make sure the slot is aligned with the slot here. Push it in. Hold on a sec. No, I didn't align it properly. See? It won't fit if you don't align it properly. Push down. There you go. When I push down, you have to make sure the latches close in automatically. Make sure it's steady. There you go. Time for the other side. There you go. Your RAM is installed properly, and there you go. You finish installing the graphics card, the sound card if you have one, or if you bought one, and the RAM. Thanks for watching, and in the next video I will install the power supply unit. It's supposed to be somewhere here, and then after that I will do the wiring. Thanks for watching. Alright, now I will try to install the power supply into the back of the casing. Most power supplies will either be at the top or the bottom of the casing, so just take the power supply, put it into the casing and just slide it in slowly. Make sure that it's the correct orientation with the fan facing downwards towards the motherboard. Just slide it in. Make sure it fits. And just take the screws and secure the power supply to the casing. Make sure all the screws are tight. And here we go, the last one. Put it in. There we go. And we're done installing the power supply. In the next part, I'll teach you how to do all this mess of a wiring. I'll teach you how to wire it onto the motherboard. Alright, thanks for watching. Hello, in this portion, I'll teach you how to wire your power supply to your motherboard. Now, all motherboards have different wiring diagrams and places where you can plug the power in. So always check your motherboard instruction manual before you start putting any cables in. For this motherboard, find the thickest cable and connect it to the main power inlet, which is here. Push it in tight. Make sure it snaps in place. Pull to make sure, and there you go. Now that's the main one in. Now time for the secondaries. From this huge jumbled mess of wires, find one that looks like this. It's a 4-pin connector. No, find a single one, just one standalone connector. Okay, this is the 6-pin. Alright, take the 4-pin, and on this side you can see over here it's one of those 4-pin connectors. Just take it and connect it. Alright, after that, for the graphics card, I'm not sure if the one that you bought has it or not, but most high-end graphics card will require another power supply, and this is the 6-pin one we found just now. Just take it and connect it. Make sure it snaps in place. There you go. Check all connections, make sure it's all okay, and you're done for your motherboard connections. As for the rest of these wires, I'll discuss them in the next part of the video. I will connect these to the CD reader and the external HUD. Thanks for watching. Get ready for the next video.